Yo, what's up guys? Comm here. Welcome to an episode of Cooking with Comm. Today, we're gonna be cooking...
You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking some cheese and potatoes.
Some cheese and potatoes?
That sounds good to me.
That sounds good to me, Dylan. All right, let's get into the cheese and potatoes of it. All right, guys, based on Attach's suggestion, went online, looked for some recipes involving some potatoes, ended up finding a recipe for these baked potato cupcakes that looks really good. As for ingredients, we're gonna need 5 large russet potatoes, gonna need a cup of either cheddar or Colby Jack cheese, ended up going with Colby Jack here, some unsalted butter, 3 eggs, and then just some salt and pepper. Seems pretty simple, seems pretty good, let's get into it. All right, first thing we gotta do, we gotta cut the potatoes, let's get it. All right. Just gonna cut them into quarters here, make sure that they're easier to cook and a little bit faster. Try to get them all about evenly sized so they cook evenly, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Going well so far. Haven't cut myself yet, so I consider that a success. All right, potatoes are cut. Up next, we're gonna have to boil them now. So let's go ahead and get them in the pot. All right, once it starts boiling, I think cover them 15, 20 minutes, and then they should be done. All right, while those potatoes are cooking, gotta do a little bit more prep work. Time for the cheese first. Probably wanna cut them halfway. Probably want them about fingernail length. So I'll cut it about halfway, width way. Do that for both of these bricks.
Those are some good cuts.
Yes, sir. How's it going?
High quality cheese. How you doing today?
Oh, I only use the best.
What you cooking up?
What you doing? Based on your recommendation, I looked for some potato recipes, found these big potato cupcakes.
Ooh.
Let's see, gotta get the cheese working.
Hey, be careful. You know, we need those hands too.
Yeah, I know.
Rocket League, RLCS, they need you.
Can't be hurting these hands.
Wait, what kind of cheese is this?
It's Colby Jack.
Colby Jack. What's your favorite kind of cheese though?
Favorite kind of cheese? Depends. I like a lot of different types of cheeses. Depends on what I'm making.
Yeah.
I make a lot of pasta recipes, so Pecorino Romano I use a lot, or Parmigiano Reggiano. Those are like my 2 go-to for those recipes.
Wait, what's that one pasta you made that we tried?
The red bell pepper one?
Spicy one. Oh.
Yeah, the red bell pepper
crazy.
sauce.
That was
yep,
crazy.
I use Pecorino Romano, heavy cream in that. Depends, but if I'm having like a burger, maybe I'll do Munster, you can do cheddar, or something like that at that point. I don't know, there's a lot of different types of cheeses out there, and I think they all have their own unique uses.
Yeah.
Can you grab that bowl right there?
Of course.
And then can you crack these 3 eggs into this bowl? And you can put the shells in there if you want.
In the bowl?
Yep.
Or no, back in here. Okay, okay.
So crack them in there, you can put the shells back in there.
I usually crack them on the table.
Yeah, that's fine.
Let me see. I gotta get a feel for these eggs right here, okay.
Clean.
Come on now.
Mecky.
Come on now.
My man.
Look at that. I don't know, I might be a chef too, to be honest. Look at this. Bang. Spill a little bit, but we all good. We take that. This is actually the one thing I know how to cook, eggs.
I'm just breaking up all this cheese.
These eggs they're ready to go. I can tell, these are good, high quality eggs.
All right, awesome. I think the cheese is ready to go too. Now we just gotta wait for the potatoes. Mashing time. Best part. Gotta really get in there.
Now this looks fun.
You wanna try it?
I'll give it a little shot, let's see.
Yes, sir, my man. Woo! Arm day paying off.
All right, back to you.
Sure you don't do that for a living? All right, we've got it all mashed together pretty finely. So go ahead and add all of this in here.
It's not too messy.
That's fine, we can look it up later.
When I eat, the table's way more messy than this.
That's true.
Half my food goes on the table.
How many times has Comm cooked for you?
Oh,
At least 3
At least 3. I think like 3. Rob's made pizza. The first time he tried pizza, it was good. For his first time ever making pizza, it was really good. Put jalapenos on it, a little spice, a little flavor. What was that pasta called that's really, really good? The spicy one?
Just the red bell pepper like sauce.
Red bell pepper sauce. Incredible. And then the other one was, it was like a creamy white sauce.
Yeah, it was like wine sauce.
Yeah.
It was sausage wine. It turned out really good.
Yeah.
All right, add in the butter. Last thing to add the salt and pepper.
This is your job.
Yeah,
Right
I'm not
here.
gonna go too crazy.
Because every time I try to add salt and pepper, the cap comes off and then my food gets covered in it. It's really bad. It's a bad habit I have.
Yeah, just kind of eyeballing this. Looking for like a quarter teaspoon-ish. Here, I'll let you do the honors. You start the mixing.
I just started mixing. Oh, I don't
Get
know
in
if I have
there.
the finesse for
Get
this.
in there.
I'm gonna get roasted by all the people watching this right now. They're gonna say, this guy has never been in a kitchen in his life. But they were wrong. I only make eggs and sometimes chicken.
All right. Grab the spray. All right, you gotta
Gotcha.
spray these up.
Yup.
Them nice and non-sticky. Ooh, sir, my man, Meki. We have 12 spots here, so we
Yep.
need to try to mix this up evenly. Here, do you want to alternate? I'll do one, you do one.
All right, let's try it.
All right, let's get to
Oh, the
scooping.
scoopers. The scoopers.
I wonder, probably a little bit more than one scoop. I think it would be pretty cool if we just like, instead of doing individual cupcakes, just did it all together.
Just one huge one?
Yeah, just one massive. I guess just a cake at that point.
Yeah.
It's not cupcakes or muffins. Scooping it all out. So close. Might end up with some small ones here at the end.
Yep. We can make it work. There's a lot. Let's get them out here. Just for one more.
All right.
All right.
Next up, all that's left to do, we gotta throw them in the oven, and we're gonna garnish with some chives at the end.
Here we go.
Let's get it.
Get the action shot.
These will be going in for 40 to 45 minutes. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Ooh, look what we
Looks
got.
so good. Well, first we gotta plate them. So
Okay.
let's try to get a few on the plate over here, hopefully without messing it up.
God, it smells good.
Okay,
I'm not gonna lie, you're gonna need to do this a little bit faster. I'm starving.
there we
There
go.
we go. That's
first one
one.
out. First one
The
out.
first one's always the hardest.
It is. Now I got it down.
Yeah, now you gotta
I got
do
the
it with
technique.
science.
Yeah,
Yep,
it's just
easy.
easy, light work.
It's flying by now. We don't have all 12 on the plate soon, right? It's 12?
Of course.
Yeah, it's 12.
No, I don't think we're putting all 12 on the plate.
Oh, okay,
but
never mind. I thought we were eating all 12.
Top with some chives.
Ooh, fancy, fancy.
I think that looks pretty good.
It looks really good. So is it time?
I think it's time. I think we
All
got
right, let's see this. Come on. Get a little cheers.
Cheers, my
to
man.
hard work.
To hard work.
Yeah. That's really good.
That's really good. We've outdone ourselves.
I'm impressed. I'm impressed by us. Well, mainly you.
It was a team effort. All right, guys, thanks for coming by to this episode of Cooking with Comm. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you might have learned something. Hope you might have laughed. Hope you might have had some fun. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.